Welcome to the Integrated Learning Management System of Kavi Kulaguru Kalidas Sanskrit University, Ramtek. Myself Reshmi Umesh, research scholar from the Department of Education, would like to invite you to this module, that is Advanced Organizer Model. This is from Educational Technology. In this module, we will learn in detail about one of the beautiful teaching model, that is known as Advanced Organizer Model. At the end of this module, you will be able to define Advanced Organizer Model, use it in your teaching learning process, understand the two principles of Advanced Organizer Model. As we already said that it is one of the important teaching learning model, and it is having two basic principles, and that will also be covered in this module. Let us see what is Advanced Organizer Model. First of all, it is formulated by David P. Ausubel, and Advanced Organizer Model is the background knowledge presented by the teacher in advance, that is before presenting the new material to be learned. So from this we can understand, in a classroom, when the teacher is teaching one new topic, teacher is giving in advance the content. That means it will give a very clear picture of that content to the children. So the matter is given in advance to the children, and teacher tries to connect that with their daily life also, so that the content transfer will become so easy. It is a deductive information. All of us know that what is inductive and deductive process. Induction will be from specific to general, and deduction will be from general to specific. So here it is a deductive information processing model based upon the learning theory of meaningful verbal learning formulated by David P. Ausubel. So here in Advanced Organizer Model, teacher will always try to integrate new with the existing knowledge. A teacher is presenting that content in advance so that children will get a very clear picture. Advanced Organizer Model helps learners to integrate new information with their existing knowledge. So here we know that to understand the content better, child should have a previous knowledge, and here the teacher is able to integrate that new information with the existing knowledge. So what they know, they are developing from what they know to what they don't know, like known to unknown. Prepares the learner's cognitive structure for the learning experience about to take place. Here it is very important, cognitive development. In this model, the care has been taken to reinforce the cognitive development and cognitive structuring. It allows the learners to have a bird's eye view of the big picture of the topic to be learned. This is very important because bird's eye view of the topic in the sense that it is giving a complete picture of the topic. Teacher is giving in advance the complete picture of the topic. It can be in any different way, like in Advanced Organizer Model of teaching process, stories can be told before starting the content, which is giving a complete idea about the content being taught. Similarly, the diagrammatic representation, graphical representation, Venn diagram, etc. can be used. Even in languages also, analogies and metaphors are used here, so that child can connect it very well with the previous knowledge. So the bird's eye view of the big picture is very important here, because it gives a complete understanding of the topic to the child. As we already discussed, there are two important principles behind Advanced Organizer. Let us see which are the principles. First one is progressive differentiation, and second one is integrative reconciliation. Let us see it in detail, what is meant by progressive differentiation. Here progressive differentiation means general ideas of disciplines are presented first, followed by gradual increase in the detail and specificity. General to specific approach is followed. We know that what is induction and deduction model. Here it is deduction model is utilized and general to specific approach is followed. That means before presenting any concept, for example, we are presenting pollution as a concept. So it is the general idea is given about pollution, the teacher is explaining in the class, and followed by gradual increase in detail and specificity. Then we know that various branches of that, in what all different ways the pollution happens. It may be air pollution, water pollution, like that. So in specificity the teacher is going later by giving a general concept of that topic. So this type of approach is utilized in advanced organizer model. So it is known as the progressive differentiation, so that the child will get a clear concept and overall view. Like as we discussed previously, a bird's eye view of the topic is already got, and further it will be easy for the child to develop from that knowledge the remaining concepts. The next principle is integrative reconciliation. Let us see what is integrative reconciliation means. New ideas to be consciously related to the previously learned content. This is very important part of teaching learning process. Something is given to the children, some ideas are given, some concepts are given, means if it has a relation with the previously learned content, it will always be easy for the child to grasp it thoroughly. So here the new ideas wherever comes, teacher is relating that to the previously learned content. So like a chain, it will be easy for the child to connect that with the previous learned concepts. So the learning becomes easy, meaningful, and the concepts also, the child will get a thorough understanding of the concept. So integrative reconciliation helps the child to have a bird's eye view of the topic, as well as the child will be able to connect that with daily life. Even teacher consciously take effort to connect that with the daily life examples, so that the teaching learning process become more meaningful and understanding. For every model, the elements are very important. So let us see the elements of advanced organizer model. Focus, strengthening cognitive structure and enhancing the retention of new information. This means in advanced organizer model of teaching, the main focus is strengthening the cognitive structure, because this is the most important part of learning process. So the student's cognitive development occurs. Expository provides basic concepts at highest level of abstraction. Here already we have explained that the content is given as it is, the general view is given. So expository means the highest level of abstraction. Comparative, provide discrimination between old and new in order to prevent confusion. So here already we have discussed that in reconciliation, already the teacher is giving the connecting the previous knowledge with the existing knowledge, which help the child to understand better. So this comparison helps the child to get the clear concept. Now the most important part of the model is syntax. Here the syntax of AOM, Advanced Organizer Model, is phase 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if we are dividing that into phase 1, 2 and 3, what all these phases? Let us see. Phase 1 is presentation of advance. Teacher is presenting the material in advance. Now phase 2 is presentation of learning task. After placing the concept in advance, teacher is giving it as a task. Sometimes it will be a project, sometimes it will be an activity, but the presentation of the present content is required, that will be presented by the teacher. Now in phase 3, strengthening cognitive organization. We already discussed that focus of this program is cognitive structure. So strengthening cognitive organization is possible if and only if the previous content is connected with the existing knowledge. So presentation is given and presentation of the learning task is given to achieve phase 3, that is strengthening cognitive organization. Let us see other elements of this model, that is social system. Highly structured and teacher is active. Now we know that teacher has to present that in advance. Teacher is connecting that previous knowledge with the existing knowledge, and teacher is taking care of that reconciliation. Progression teacher takes care. That means teacher has to be an active member of this social system, and preparation is also taken place beforehand, and it is highly structured program. Principles of reaction: promoting critical approach and promoting questioning power. Here the teacher expects that the child is asking questions too. So in one way, advanced organizer model invite more questions and improve the questioning power and inquisitiveness of the children. Support system is well organized material, because teacher should have the proper material and resources to connect that with the daily life, and then to give the matter in advance or concepts in advance. So the teacher has to be thoroughly prepared with the materials or resources. Now let us see what are the applications of advanced organizer model. Abstract subjects which can't be seen or presented can be easily taught through this model. In space, this one, or like astronomy, astrology, abstract subjects which can't be seen or presented can be easily taught through this model, and cognitive aims can be achieved, as we have seen already that advanced organizer model is developing the cognitive power of the child, and whatever abstract of subjects, like a varied number of subjects can be covered under this advanced organizer model to get a clear understanding. It can be used to teach the skill of effective reception. Critical thinking and effective reorganization can be explained, as already we discussed about the inquisitiveness development. So critical thinking can be developed through this advanced organizer model effectively. Other applications are, students get all matter in systematic order, because it is going in a general to specific order, and the entire material the children will get through a systematic order, and already it is connecting with the old knowledge, helps the teacher to organize the matter and convey the information. Useful to structure extended curriculum courses and to guide the students systematically in the key areas. The model itself is systematically made in such a way that it is very much helpful for extended curriculum courses and to guide the students. So I am sure that at the end of this advanced organizer model, you are able to answer these questions. The advanced organizer model was developed by dash. So here already in the first slide we explained this. It allows the learners to have a dash of the topic, and this shows the importance of advanced organizer model, how it is giving a collective idea of the topic. Third, it provides basic levels at highest levels of dash. Fourth, the principles behind advanced organized model are dash and dash. Already we discussed about the two important principles of advanced organizer model. And what are the applications of advanced organizer model? So here already we have discussed in detail about the applications. Thank you very much.